Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Here in the shop here at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated. And actually, we're in the organ room with Arrington. And today's lesson that I'm teaching Arrington is how to test a rebuilt crossover. Now, Arrington has done a beautiful job. I mean, a job even better than I could have done it. And rebuilding or recapping this crossover. He's in fact done several of these crossovers for me. Here's another one that Arrington rebuilt. That's one, and here's another one over here. So now I'm teaching him to test the crossover after he has recapped them, and I've just shown him how to connect everything together to test the crossover. Arrington, you want to walk us through the process that I taught you? I'm gonna see what you can do with it, man. Tell us, what did you do to be able to test this crossover? Because we're gonna ultimately turn on our machine here and test it. Now, be careful here, Arrington, because we got. Well, let me go ahead. Let's turn this off. Let's turn that off. We're gonna turn that off. Okay. All right. So Arrington, tell us what have you done so far?
Well, we hooked up that amplifier and also grounded it. Make sure we don't shock anybody or don't overcharge the amp. We hooked the amp to this audio generator right here.
Mm-hmm.
Just simple. And then we hooked the rebuilt crossover to the speaker over here, so we can.
Where's the speaker?
Right down here.
Okay.
So we can actually hear everything.
Right. And so we got the crossover coming out of the amp right here. So we're coming out of the amp into the crossover. And from out of the crossover, we got a cable here for the upper driver. Yeah. Connected to that speaker. And then of course we got a 22H amplifier that we're using. And how do you have it connected in terms of the audio generator, Arrington? We're using a Lenco audio generator. How is that connected to the amplifier? What did you do there?
Just use these clamps.
The alligator clips?
Yeah, alligator clips. Hook this to
the second lug?
Yeah, the second lug right here.
The middle lug?
Yeah.
Of the volume potentiometer?
Yes.
Okay. And then what else?
And then we just
grounded it to the chassis?
Yes.
Wonderful, son. Okay, so we got everything connected. Oh, well, how are we powering it up? How are we going to power this amplifier up, Arrington?
Oh, well, we got this, what's this called?
The
variable audio transformer.
That's a Variac. That's what they call a Variac.
Yeah.
Variable audio transformer. All right. So, well, let's see what happens. And in fact, let's do this. Let's do this, Arrington. I don't know. Here, can you slide that in front of the amp? Would it sit there, or maybe we can move it back a little bit? Can you slide it back a little bit? Yeah, and place that there. Yeah, that gives us a shield, so that when we turn on the amp, and in the event that there's a problem and there's an explosion, we're not harmed by the explosion in the lab. There was an explosion in the lab at Texas Tech University some years ago, and a young man was severely injured. So we want to use safety and be precautious. Use precaution in our shop behavior. Okay, let's go ahead and turn on the power.
All right.
Okay, and you have it the Variac turned here up to 117 volts. Okay.
All right. You ready to turn on the audio generator?
Yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on, man. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. Now, can you turn down the volume some so it won't be so loud for us?
There we go.
What do you think about that, Arrington?
It's noisy.
It's noisy.
Yeah.
What
It
do we?
works. It works.
Is it working?
Yep.
So did you do a good job on your crossover, man?
I think I did a wonderful job.
Yeah, I think you did too. I think you did too. All right, Arrington. So turn. Yeah. It works, man. It works, and you can go ahead and turn that off. Good. All right. Well, we got a couple more crossovers in there for you to test, Arrington, and I don't have to put those on video, but I did want the people to see what my son is doing and how he's growing in the business here at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated, the home of the Hammond Doc. So until the next video, look at that day out there. It's a beautiful day. It's just raining, but that's good for my grass. I don't have any issues, no problems with that. Arrington, what do you want to say to the people? You want to say what?
Peace out.
All right. You said it. Goodbye.